Were you guys here when I spoke to them?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're there.
But those guys are tired of each other.
That's my college senior.
I know him.
Yeah. Sandesh is my college senior.
I was his senior at college.
Yeah, that's what college senior means.
You contacted Rahul only after he became a comedian or what? It sounds like that in the timeline.
Yeah, then he was like, hey Rahul, remember me, right? Your senior, your good friend.
That's actually true. That's what happened.
Kuch bhi.
Dude, this fucker is more excited to talk to Rahul than he was talking about his wife. He was talking about his wife,
Yeah.
he's like, I'm married for 8 years.
Yeah.
Rahul was like, hey, kuch bhi kya bol rahe hai? Okay.
So, where are you at?
It was a smooth transition.
We should start the show at some point. We should stop making it about them because I feel like
I
fun.
feel like I'm going to be called like for the divorce case. Be like, did she say this? I'm like, I guess I was a witness.
Doctor at home.
So what is it like? Where are you at currently?
I'm 40 years old.
Right.
Okay, and I'm done dating younger boys and paying for them. Because that's what I've been doing.
You
for
know,
the
some of
last-
them are free, right?
like you.
I am off the market, but why are you paying for them is my question.
Like paying for their restaurant bills and stuff.
Not to the gigolo.
Sushi.
That's what she
We are doing.
Like boys you've dated. To be clear, Mikhail.
She didn't say that, bro. She's like, I'm tired of paying for boys.
Like,
I'm like, Are?
like, can you define just
25 plus.
25 to
27.
a very small window?
That's
Yeah.
too small.
Really?
No sugar
I was paying for
daddy.
rickshaws as well sometimes, guys, and it was not. I was like,
These are like autos that y'all went to together, or like
No.
they would raise the bill for all their autos also.
their autos also. Just, hello, listen, can you book me an auto? I'm going from here to there.
Do they send you like bills for reimbursement and stuff? Yeah,
Okay, wait, so 1 minute. You were tired of paying, so now what?
Now I'm looking for a
Someone who
divorced
cooks.
man with a child.
Bill Gates.
Yeah.
Divorced man with a child. Why with a child?
Because it's a ready package. Everything. I don't have to do anything.
Gia sounded like
So you can date the child when he becomes 25.
Nice.
Do you guys have kids? No. Sorry, man. We were going to make them break up for Gia.
That one's a really long shot in your head. We'll get divorced and then she'll contact me.
No. First you'll have the kids.
Yeah.
Then the
Yeah,
divorce.
your brain ran damn fast.
Where are you at currently in your relationship status?
Bro, I'm currently like a T20 batsman.
Lovely.
Great.
I
Lovely. Just coke and hookers.
That's one way.
Wow.
That's one way to put it. That's one way to put it. But no, I'm finding myself in like 4-month equations. Sometimes out of my choice, sometimes not out of my choice. Like since the pandemic, you just have like.
Oh, that's why T20. Like it's a
like-
shorter relationship.
Yeah.
Got
Oh, now I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great.
You and I are test match players.
Absolutely.
That's
Yeah,
right.
Yeah.
That's right.
It never ends only.
Y'all are not test match. Y'all are like FIFA manager mode.
What
Like,
is
it just
that?
goes on and on and on.
Okay, just say okay.
Okay. Say that. So that's 4-month relationships because like you're like this fuckboy who's like chal nikal, or they are like fuck girls who are like chal nikal. I mean,
Hey, wait, can you do that impersonation of a fuckboy again?
Go for it.
Ronak, let's play. Ronak, can you impersonate a fuckboy?
Yeah, let's. Yeah, this is what fuckboys do, right?
Oh wait, Ronak. We'll set Ronak
Yeah,
up. Hey Ronak, I was thinking of.
Chal nikal साला.
Wow. Classic. That's a fuckboy or an auto driver. Both. Wow. Can I ask? Of course, I can ask you. But is that the intention when you get into a relationship, not to have a long-term thing?
No, not necessarily.
So you don't know what
I don't know what's.
you don't know if it's a test match or a T20.
Yeah, I don't
You're
know.
just there with your cricket bat,
Yeah. Essentially, yeah.
and then you see the field setup and like, oh, test match.
No. Sometimes you get out.
Then the fuckboy rises.
I have a problem with the term fuckboy.
You're the one who stated it. Go for
Yeah.
it.
I didn't invent it, bastard.
You-
That's a common term.
Ronak doesn't even know what fuck. Look at Nikal.
Yeah.
That's what he went with. His mind came up with that. Like maybe that's what a fuckboy does.
No, like, dude, I did some market research.
For self. For a friend.
No, I'll tell you where it came from, okay? Like the first time I heard the term fuckboy, I was like, I want to be this. Because that term, bro, if there's a young boy and he hears fuckboy,
Yeah, they are going through that right
that's all.
now.
That's all you want to be. You're a boy who fucks. Wow, that's
Wow.
insane. And then you go out into the world and you realize that, oh, people hate fuckboys.
Right.
Like there's like this.
It's a very tough life for them.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that.
Welcome to Fuckboy Anonymous.
No, like. So I learned that fuckboy is like a person who's not clear about their intentions. They mislead you. So like there's like a malice.
They
of
end up in a
forethought.
4-month relationship.
No. There's a malice of forethought in the term fuckboy. Is that correct, Gia? Is it?
He's trying very hard to sound like a nice boy.
But he's not.
Yeah,
But I'm
he's
not. My problem is, it's not even my problem. My grouse is that
Half the
It-
people don't know the difference between problem and grouse. You could have gone with problem. Can you go with problem?
okay, whatever. Wait, let me make it so.
What's your problem, Mikhail?
Okay, I'll tell you the problem.
Yeah.
It feels like someone's being judged for wanting to fuck.
That sounds like a grouse actually.
Yeah. someone essentially wants to fuck
Yeah.
Right.
and have nothing more. But that's a problem. Because that's what people told me when I asked them. They're like, it's fine to want to fuck, but like if you want to fuck and then like you're lying about where you're at in your life and shit, that's where the problem is.
But boys anyways lie where they are, what they're doing in life.
Yeah. Right
anyway.
now I'm in Chunabatti.
Bloody fuckboy!
Can some nice lady in the audience define fuckboy for us?
I think a fuckboy is basically just going around with someone but not really giving them certainty or like any relationship.
You were right.
Yeah.
You were right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No commitment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No commitment.
So he's not a fuckboy because he know. I don't. Is that how it works? If you know what a fuckboy is, you're not a fuckboy.
That means we're fuckboys!
Oh fuck! Not anymore. Not anymore. Thanks to you. Thank you. I am not in Chunabatti, guys. I am back in Bandra.
How many nice guys have you dated, Gia? Nice guys.
One.
One.
He was a good guy. Like he would, think of me before doing anything else.
Like, he's like, मेरे को रिक्शा रोकने का है, पर जिया कैसी है यार? Anything else?
You know, he was so sweet. Before he cheated also, he was like, Gia.
So I don't think women are looking for this kind of guy. They're looking for fuckboys.
Okay.
Alright,
Right.
but then when you behave like a fuckboy, we're like, oh, and then you'll get the commitment also. Do you
What the
understand what I
fuck?
just said?
What
I think
You can have both
like,
the
you know,
worlds.
it's like
I think Gia
It's
has
like
not
going-
watched a movie since the year 2005.
yeah.
She's watched only pre-2005 movies. Because
She's the last movie she watched was Garam Masala.
yeah, something like that.
You're not going to put it up there.
No, it's too much.
Okay,
work.
I am 20 male. 2 months ago, I started dating a senior from the office.
Oh,
I used to intern at. I'm grateful that the universe made this happen.
oh.
But my friends, my very own friends, are very jealous. They keep asking for my whereabouts when my girlfriend and I plan impromptu trips. Not when it's a planned trip, because they know. They said we are rushing things. When I moved with her, they keep
doing
throwing
what
it in my
inside?
face that she's 13 years older than me and has a 5-year-old son. अपने आईडी से आओ जिया.
Guys, I'm looking for the opposite. I no longer want 20-year-old M's.
How do I deal with them? Wow.
It sounds like the friends are into the boss. Because they're like, they want to know whereabouts when the impromptu trip is happening.
Huh.
But they only want to know when he's with the boss. So they don't care about where he is, ever.
They sound jealous. Yes, yes.
यार
Yeah, is he
मेरे
a fuck
दोस्त
boy?
और मेरे गर्लफ्रेंड साथ में क्यों नहीं चिल कर सकते यार? He's been that guy.
Yeah, and they have like completely
यार, जब देखो मेरे दोस्त मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड को डालना चाहते हैं यार, क्या है ये प्लीज?
Yeah, I can see the clash of interest there. What? What did you say?
They want to fuck her, dude.
Dalna. That's what you said.
This is a term, dude.
Where are you from?
It's a term, dude.
In
Mikhail.
Chuna Patti.
This is how Kurla Catholics talk. That's how they talk.
Mikhail, please.
You can't cancel a Kurla Catholic. That's how they talk.
Dalna.
Mikhail, please.
It's a very
Just
fuckboy
stick
thing
to-
to say.
stick to English.
Yes, yes.
Fine.
Don't do that.
Speak to the language of the church.
I hope you're not
But let's-
saying this to your T20 girls. No. Dalne ka hai.
No.
I don't know why they leave, yeah. I don't know why.
किधर जाने लिए? मैं किस पे डालेगा?
No, that's not. No.
Breakfast के बाद डालने का क्यों पहले?
You're not using the term correctly, and I will not correct you also.
Can you please?
There's a correct way to use
What's
this.
the right
Yes,
way to use the term?
Dalna.
It comes from Bangalore slang. Bangalore slang has to put. To put means to fuck, or to put anything. You can like put a cigarette.
Put a party.
Yeah. To smoke a cigarette, you'll say you
I've
want
seen a show in Bangkok about this.
Bangalore. Bangalore, Ronak.
Okay, sorry.
Okay,
To
okay,
put.
go on.
So if you want to eat a roll, you want to put one roll. Anyway,
They were
the friend-
jealous that they wanted to dalna that chick.
They were not jealous that they wanted to fuck, bro. They were jealous that he's fucking.
But they also wanted to.
They want to, yes.
So now she is actually making him experience stuff that no 20-year-old can or probably would. Like
Fatherhood is one, by the way.
Yeah, father.
Because what the fuck is doing with a 5-year-old
Yeah,
child?
actually, how will a 20-year-old be a father to a
I don't think so.
5-year-old?
I don't think so. She takes him home at all.
They're only going for these trips, huh?
Yeah, dates.
Oh,
and
that's why
trips.
they're going for
yeah,
trips.
that's why everything is impromptu
This,
in their life.
and this 5-year-old is still in play school waiting for someone to pick him up. No one's picking him up. His mom's in Kandala with this college kid.
Teacher.
So the kid looks at this kid, this 20-year-old, and he's like, oh, she went and picked him up instead of me.
From the same school.
Dude, that would be fucked up. You know, if 15 years in the future, the 5-year-old child
Will turn 30.
will do one of the friends.
20, what? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, the 5-year-old
Like
will...
it's just a cycle that keeps repeating. Like you fuck.
they're
You,
13 years
you-
older. Yeah.
like, your friends fucked my mom's friends. I'll fuck your friends.
Like a revenge
Like
sex.
revenge, yes.
Yeah. Yeah, you fuck
But
my mom, I'll fuck your friend. And it's like, yeah, do whatever you want with my friends. I don't care about my
That's
friends.
true. That's not very good revenge. That's not good revenge.
Bro, why don't you all think that the friends are probably right? Because he's like moving. And,
Oh, yeah, that's another angle.
His friends are probably right? Because he's like a fucking kid and he's just going on trips with this person and they don't know her.
Yeah.
So they're like, यार already तू जा रहा है, उसके बाद बच्चे हैं, तू पागल है क्या?
But what do you
You
have
not
to-
come for lectures in 3 days?
What do you have to lose that 20? What do you have to lose that 20 from?
कितना बार प्रॉक्सी मारूं मैं प्रेजेंट टीचर कितने बार
But why, man? It sounds plausible. It doesn't sound plausible that the 20-year-olds are risk averse. Like they're like, bro, you'll get hurt by dating this 33-year-old. It doesn't sound possible.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe get that woman's friends to meet the friends.
wow yeah yes
Just
आवाम को पसंद आ गया
he's sitting with his girlfriend. The door opens. It's all dark. There's just one light. Boys, I present to you her friends. And then they just come and present themselves.
Rohit meet Mrs. Sharma
Oh, I have to do the next question. Okay. Cool. I'm 27M, male, and my girlfriend and I are very open to experimenting sexually. Last month, we had a threesome, and I got to pick the girl that we approached. This month, she was going to pick a guy for a threesome. I gave her.
next month we pick an animal
It's like they have a kitty party thing. They're just like every month तेरा kitty है, अभी तू लाएगा.
Okay, I gave her full autonomy and she has, without previous context, okay, that was in brackets, huh? Without previous context is in bracket, found the guy who bullied me throughout my school life. When I told her about it, she said it makes it even hotter.
This is also kind of bullying only.
Yeah.
Wow.
What do I do?
Yeah, I feel like
Imagine getting called Kacha Limbu in bed. That's what this guy's problem is. Hey Kacha, kya kar raha hai?
Yeah, so he's got to bully back because this is now.
Okay, wait, maybe the solution is that next time you call her bully.
How does that help?
What if she was the bully? Because she sounds
Yeah,
clearly.
she sounds fully
She
bullied.
clearly sounds like she's the bully.
She sounds like a bully.
But everyone's been bullied by someone.
Yeah. The law of bulliness states that.
Someone here was really
Hello?
bullied.
Hello, yeah, I found you on my girlfriend's Facebook.
Dude, that's what happened.
And there was a photo from 2008 with your foot on her face. Are you free next Saturday?
For some. Yeah.
But there would be a concept of veto, no?
Dude, you know what I think is the funniest? What if the bully is like a changed man now? What if he's shaking
You
his
don't
hand?
think so?
He's like, come on,
You're
yaar.
like, no.
Whatever happened. We are friends now. He's like, okay, are you done?
The guy should say that I don't want to get involved in this. And she might say okay, or she might say just watch then. And then,
Yeah. And he's,
then he can just be on his phone.
yeah. And then he'll be like, तुम लोग करो, मैं कल सवेरे breakfast तैयार रखूंगा.
What would you do, Roy? You were in this position. Both of you are
Yo, I would fucking go in. I would be like, yeah, I'm not letting you all do this.
You
by
want to be
yourself.
in a
Yeah,
fuck?
I would be in the threesome and just fucking निकल यहाँ से निकल. I would do that.
You're defending in football or what? What are you doing?
I would do that.
You'll do like this when a guy's dick is behind you.
Yo,
Someone has a hard dick and you'll go like this in front of him.
yo. As long as it doesn't touch my girl, it touches me fine. Just fucking निकल.
Why would you even invite him?
Yeah, really, yeah. Why are you going through all that?
He's just putting his mask on. You look बहुत rude है यार.
मैं threesome करने का कबड्डी खेल के आ
Why
गया.
is he's going to rob a bank after fucking a horse?
Fuck up. It's like he's wearing his COVID mask so he can walk back
COVID
out.
mask. I thought that mask they were to rob the bank.
I think I would take the opportunity to bully them during sex.
Oh, that's a
Beat
great
them
plan.
up there also.
Beat them up. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Gia never plays poker in like a cautious manner. She's always all in.
Yeah.
कपड़ा उतारा पटाखा. अब समझा तेरे को अभी क्या?
Have you guys only been with each other in the course of this relationship? Yeah. Boring. Even I haven't. We haven't had fucking swinger parties. Fucking. What about you? I called you. You said no.
Yeah, because you bullied me in childhood.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
This is lovely.
My boyfriend and I have been dating 8 months. We haven't had any fights. But all my friends say it's not legit unless we fight.
These friends are fuckers.
Yeah.
काम करो.
So jealous.
What are your thoughts on this? That you have loser friends. That's what the thought is.
Is it a guy asking? It's a guy. My boyfriend. It's a
It's a girl asking.
presumably a girl asking this.
Yes. So all your friends are just big on drama.
Or just fight once.
Fight, yeah.
And then they're like, fuck me forward. And then friends are like,
It's a very fulfilling relationship. Man.
They want gossip, right?
Stage
Or
is-
lie the fight. Give them fake gossip.
I don't think so he's good at.
He beat me up and all. Just say shit like,
That's actually not bad.
Yeah.
Beats me up every.
with my own chappal.
Yeah. And then the friends are like, oh, then it's fine.
He made breakfast for me today. Yeah, but before he beat me, properly. And chappal, then only breakfast. Yeah, but fight is two-way, na? Why we
The fight is a two-way thing.
Yeah.
This is abuse.
I'm saying make it up. It's made up, guys. It's made up. It's for the gossip.
I
Take
beat
it to
back.
extents. He burns me with cigarettes and all. It doesn't happen. It's for her friends.
But when you tell the friend he burnt me with cigarette, they'll be like, show.
Yeah.
It's in an area I can't show you.
Bro, is that evil? Oh shit.
The cigarette wasn't lit, okay?
I saw his phone the other day. He saved my name as Ashtray.
I feel so bad. She had a perfect relationship. She asked for help, and now she's hitting herself. She's like, why? It was going well.
Boyfriend is like, who hit you? My friends.
And friends like boyfriend.
Tell one friend and then be like, don't tell anyone.
Ah, nice.
Then everyone has found out.
And then you know this friend has to be eliminated.
And then they're all like, oh, they're fighting, huh? Yeah.
I feel bad for her that now she's waiting for the first fight. She's trying to pick a fight and it's not happening. Like every moment she's like,
Yeah.
she's like
She's
trying.
tripping him.
And he has great balance. Voila! He's throwing things and he's catching it. He's like, thanks, I always wanted this mug. And it's like,
She's taking his phone and then writing on the office group, fuck you, I quit.
thanks.
This is
I
what I
always
want to
Okay, now both of y'all have been married, right? And y'all
Now,
have been
yeah.
dating. Yeah. Okay, so when was your first fight? Y'all remember your first fight?
No.
So many y'all have had
I
now.
don't remember my first fight.
Tell us, enlighten.
Because she'll never let me forget it.
That's another thing, yes.
I'll tell you the first. Okay, so it was we just started dating and we were like 18 and I was like, yo, I don't do Valentine's Day. Okay, I'm not into this corporate bullshit. I don't have money to give her a gift. Okay,
You think Valentine's Day is corporate?
It's not. It's I didn't want to. I just didn't have money, so I was making up excuses.
Raunak is being edgy
to
at
not-
18.
I just didn't have.
Fair.
Yeah.
It's not corporate.
Yeah, it was me being a kid who did not have money to celebrate, so I was trying to make it look like, oh, I'm too good for this.
God.
And what happened was Big Show had come to town. Big Show, the wrestler.
Not what I expected to hear.
Weird turn of events.
This gets weird.
There was Valentine's Day, I didn't want to celebrate, and Big Show came to town.
It's like,
This gets weird. And I just thought that, fuck, Big Show's coming and he's coming to Hamleys.
So you bought him Valentine's Day
Big
gift.
Show?
No.
Big
I
Show
did.
was in Hamleys.
Big Show fucking came to Hamleys. It was so weird. He just came like this. And everyone was
He's
like,
like-
yay!
On Valentine's Day, this is happening, huh?
Yeah. This is on 14th Web. He's come and he's like, yo, I'm Big Show. I'm here. And because he has no talent to show without another person, right? So
Bastard, he's Big Show, dude. What? No talent.
Without another person. He can't fight like...
But
He has that move where he does he does that.
Yeah. So that's what I thought. I was
That's
like...
very weird just doing with no context. Like in the
That's
middle
what-
of a mall, just going,
That's
Hey,
how
you
I
know,
know
today we went to the mall, my boyfriend saw a large man. And he said to the large man, can you pick me up?
and he
And that's
did.
when I knew this was my guy.
Can you pick me up like my childhood bully used to? No, so...
And then he did choke slam.
Okay, so I didn't ask him to pick me up. I was just there and my friends fucking ditched. And I'm just waiting and he was supposed to come at 2 o'clock.
So many mistakes.
So, yeah.
Alone you were there.
On
Yeah, so-
Valentine's Day, you called
yeah.
your friend.
You ditched your girlfriend for Big Show. And then your friends ditched you.
Yeah, and 3 of my friends and I were gonna just go and fucking watch Big Show.
Yeah, where were they? They were seeing The Undertaker.
Yeah, they were they were like, we don't like
They
this
were
guy.
with their girlfriends.
So these guys didn't show
celebrating.
up and I'm just waiting there. Okay, so Henna messages me saying, are you done? So I just waited around.
Big Show did
I'm getting bored and because I'm fucking stupid and I'm 18 and I just started dating this girl. I don't know, this is inappropriate, but I message her saying, my friends ditched, why don't you come? So
Big Show was
obviously,
irrelevant in this story.
yeah, so she was nice enough to actually come. We watched Big Show and
Does she
then
know who Big Show is?
and yeah, she does. And then we fought afterwards. She's like, I'm not gonna fucking wait around for this. And I was like, yeah, I think it's fair that you want respect.
Yeah.
I I think you should write to Big Show.
Yeah.
Tell him about this.
So Big Show, if you're watching this, please know that you have hurt this boy, this young boy.
So yeah.
So you
that was-
remember your first fight? That's what.
Yeah, and she brings it
And
up.
after that fight, all
She
her
brings it up
friends
every
were
time. Every time there's like any WWE reference, she's like, "Oh, do you all know Big Show? Let me tell you all a story."
But doesn't that get irritating after a while when like you are in a relationship and this person every social gathering you go to keeps saying the same story?
No, she doesn't do it in a toxic way. Where
No,
it was like
I'm
many
not-
years ago. Where
Guys,
like-
no, Mikhail, now they're
I
married
like how
so
he
long.
defended her. Huh? You saw that? Huh? He's like, no.
yo, what the fuck?
I'm
You don't get to talk shit about my wife. Only I do.
Okay, one Valentine's Day, I was dressed up. Oh my god, I looked like
As Big Show. Outside. Families.
And we were supposed to go out for a meal, and it was supposed to be at 10 o'clock, and he didn't show up. And he came at 11
He didn't show
o'clock.
up too?
Pick me up from
To
my
pick
house.
you up.
Yeah.
Big Show.
Was it said that he's going to pick you up?
Yes,
Yeah.
we
He
were
said-
going for dinner, and it was a date for Valentine's Day. And he didn't show up, and then he came 1 hour late. By then, I was in my pajamas.
Hey,
Right.
this is which year? Which year? Like approximate?
2019.
Fair not allowed. Take it.
Why?
Yeah, when otherwise?
No, because it
Pre-pandemic.
Pre-pandemic, yes.
Pre-pandemic meaning. I'm just saying कि if it was like at a much younger age when people take trains and buses and come, it is possible to be late because I've been
But it
late.
depends on like how
Lot
young
of
that
He
guy
was
was.
at a younger age. For him, it was young only.
So he came by. He
no,
came by
what
bus.
doesn't matter. No, he was anyways valid.
अरे
He
वो
didn't
एक
value
बस
time.
लेट आ गया बेचारे बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं
She only booked the auto for him.